That's the problem. Broken screw inside the head. That's going to be a problem. Get yourself a cobalt drill bit and very carefully drill down the centre of the broken screw. That's what you're looking for. Centre it as much as you can down through the broken screw. Drill it down so much. Do not drill through, as this is into the firing chamber. If you drill through, you'll lose the pressure in the chamber. You're going to have to extract. So in a small hole in, only so deep, then get an extractor on. Now, to extract that, you can use a left hand drill bit, because you can pilot hole, and then when the left hand bit grabs, generally it helps extract it. But it's no good in this application because left hand drill bits too brittle and they don't have enough force to unscrew it. A tight bolt like that there that has Loctite in it, and there is a lot of Loctite in these here bolts here for the head. I've had good luck with them grab it screw extractors, but that's the smallest one, and I don't want to drill that hole any bigger. It's a 2mm hole that needs really a 2.5 at least, so that's no good. They come in a good set of 4, but I have them all broken here now. The other one is the most risky. Everybody knows these here stud extractors. Left hand thread, hardened steel. They cut on as you're unscrewing. They're as brittle as anything, and if you turn them or twist them or prise them at all, they just snap off. And it's a one-time deal if you're using these here or any extractor. If you break the top off on that screw, you're not getting it out. So use these at your peril. If you are using them, make sure you use a tap holder, not a spanner. You need a good tight fit and drive it on square. I just want to get an initial bite and no more. I'm going to heat this up with a blowtorch, which is piping hot. So these have to be hot. This metal has to be hot to be able to extract these screws anyway. So this has to be fairly hot to get this out without breaking that there. There we go. Fair warning, 90% of the time you're not getting that out. If you can't get the screw out, you're replacing the whole head. And also, when using the blowtorch, be mindful, this is still aluminium. You can overheat it. You'll not realise you're overheating it. It'll just break away if you just take it up to its melting point. Keep the blowtorch on it as you're unscrewing as well, especially when it's initially tight. That's why I didn't film. I was using the two hands. I was over at the vise.